Welcome to today's video. Today's video is Murphy's Law. Go to make a big giant pot of chicken paprikash, break out the Le Creuset pot, go to cook it, and the damn knob breaks off. I'm like, oh shit. So have to fumble with the oven mitts and made it through, but decided to go get a replacement knob. The genuine OEM replacement knob for the Le Creuset, $25. I was thinking, ooh, there's got to be an alternative. So go to Amazon and we find knobs for $6 or $7 that claim to be a universal knob that fit Le Creuset. So we order one and we go to put it on our pot. So the threaded insert pulled out of our knob. Then you've got a countersunk common screw in this thing. And we got the little threaded ferrule off of there. We've got our OEM countersunk screw. So we order our replacement knob. We have the new knob, the nice new threads in it. We get a screw. We've got a silicone washer, and we've got a metal like a trim washer. We got our screw. We have our trim washer. We're going to put the silicone piece over that. Put it through that hole in the knob. Now we got our thread sticking through. Then we're going to screw on our new knob. Ta-da! Problem with this knob. Now you've got this sharp trim washer that's going to continually need tightening with this screw because the knob is going to keep getting loose and you're going to keep tightening because you're going into a countersunk hole. And this knob with this trim ring is going to start digging into your enamel. I don't want that. Here's how we fix it. You're going to go to Lowe's, Home Depot, your local mercantile, and you're going to buy a number 10 thick stainless steel washer. And we're going to put this between the knob and the top of the lid. We get our OEM screw. Drop it right there in the lid. We're going to take our number 10 thick washer, slide it right over there. We're going to take our new knob, give it a little tiny tweak with a screwdriver, and there you go. Now you got your knob on there with the original Le Creuset screw, and you're not going to booger up the finish and the enamel on your Le Creuset pot. And the only thing is you got a little, let's see if we can focus in on this. You got a little tiny gap in there and that's it. And there's that stainless steel washer. These Le Creuset apparatuses are not cheap. This pot probably goes for $400. So if you can buy the champagne equipment, then go ahead and buy the champagne replacement knob. But if you get these at the flea market, thrift store, estate sales, or the family hands it down to and you got a broken knob, go for the $6 knob and the 5-cent washer and save that money so you can buy the upgraded beer. However you choose to fix your Le Creuset, you go right ahead. I'm going to buy the 5-cent washer so I can buy the good beer. Cheers with an icy cold Stella Artois. Well worth the 5-cent washer. Oh, well, have a good weekend. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year. See ya.